Yo guys, what's up gamers? Today I will be talking about this new rad thing called dropshipping. This is very cool and I thought I'd share. I'll also give you 4 actionable steps to start your own dropshipping business today. Finding reputable suppliers with high quality items and ensuring that you have visibility into your customers' fulfillment process are 2 major hurdles to consider while dropshipping. You can discover providers on your own, to be honest. When dropshipping totally on your own though, you may find yourself spending a significant amount of time researching and negotiating with suppliers in order to ensure your clients' happiness. Another option is to use a tool like Spocket, which gives you access to millions of products to sell with just a few clicks and has dozens of other features to make your life easier, such as inventory management, automatically calculating profit margins, fulfilling and tracking orders, tracking shipping status, and measuring delivery performance, among others. Spocket is also included in the package, which allows you to work with verified, dependable suppliers that offer high-quality items, quick shipment, and excellent customer support. There are hundreds of products to pick from. Are you ready to get started? Simply create a Shopify store, install the Spocket app, select items, and begin selling online. So, what attracts individuals to dropshipping? To begin with, it's quite quick and simple to get started, and you can dropship with a very modest initial expenditure. You also don't need an established company corporation to get started, but it's a good idea to have one as your firm grows. You won't have to deal with inventory, packing, or monitoring, allowing you to concentrate nearly entirely on marketing, advertising, and merchandising. You may quickly access millions of goods that vendors are continually analyzing to see what's fashionable and what will sell. You control the margins since you decide the selling price. And because you can engage virtual assistants as your order volume grows, dropshipping is very easy to scale. There are, of course, certain drawbacks to dropshipping. For starters, because it's so simple to get started, there's a bigger chance of competition. That's why a lot of advice suggests that you start by identifying a niche audience, such as cat lovers or gamers, so you can operate with less competition. Then, there are issues with suppliers. Though rare, it is unavoidable for a supplier to ship the incorrect item to your customer. If this occurs, don't take it personally and manage the return professionally by ordering brand new goods from the source or providing a full refund. Furthermore, because many dropshipping providers are headquartered in China, shipping periods are typically lengthier, which may put off some customers. Many visitors appreciate it when you make your shipping times clear throughout the box.